Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm doing pan-fried scallops with grilled asparagus, and I'm going to do it with a rustic chili and herb dressing. Asparagus is just coming into season now, so I thought this was the right video to do this week. Okay, so we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare the asparagus. So I'm going to start off by removing the woody end part of the asparagus. Just take that off. Then we're going to peel our asparagus. Okay, so that's our asparagus prepared. So we're just going to blanch this in some boiling salted water. Okay, so our water's come to the boil. So we're just going to go in with some salt. Then in with our asparagus. We're going to let this cook for about 30 seconds. Okay, so after 30 seconds, I'm just going to take this out and put it into some ice water. So now we'll just take the asparagus out and we'll put it onto some kitchen towel just to dry off. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to make our dressing for the scallops. So what I've got here is I've got some fresh coriander. So I'm just going to shred this up, including the stalks. Don't throw away the stalks. I know a lot of people throw away the stalks, but actually there's about 3 times more flavour in the stalk than there is in the leaf. So we're going to chop that up as well. Also got some flat leaf parsley as well. So just chop it up as well. It doesn't have to be too fine for this. It's got a rustic dressing. I've also got 1 spring onion, so just trim that up. Slice that up as well. Okay. I've got 1 medium red chilli, so I'm just going to remove the seeds from the chilli. We don't want to use a really hot chilli for this because I think it can overpower the flavour of the scallops. So I wouldn't go too hot with that. This is kind of medium heat. Chilli. Then we've also got the juice of half a lemon with that. Also just a splash of white wine vinegar. About a teaspoon if you want to be exact. Some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And just some salt and pepper. Okay, so we'll just give that a good mix up. Okay, so we'll just put this to the side and we'll get on to the next stage. Okay, so we've got 4 nice scallops here. Now these are quite large scallops. All I'm going to do with these is I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt on both sides. I'm just going to skewer them with some rosemary. Okay, so now we've got our 2 pans on, one for the scallops and one for our asparagus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get asparagus on first. So all I've done is I've seasoned it with some salt and pepper, and I'm just going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Just give that a little mix up, and we go straight into our pan with that. So while that's cooking, we can now get our scallops on as well. So get your pan on hot for your scallops. It's really important that your pan's hot, so because you want to get some nice colour on the scallops. So what we'll do is we'll go in with some oil first. Okay, now we'll just carefully go in with the scallops. Just be very careful with this. Always place them away from you. So the scallops will take about 1.5 minutes on this side, then we'll just give it another minute on the other side to finish it off. Just turn your asparagus over. Okay, so our scallops have had about 1.5 minutes now, so we're just going to turn these over carefully. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of butter just to help this on its way. You just want to baste the scallops with the butter. Okay, so our asparagus is ready now, so we can take that out. We're just going to take that out and put it into a bowl. And we'll just leave that at the side, that'll stay warm at the side. Okay, so our scallops have now had another minute on this side, so they're cooked now, so we'll just turn them off and just carefully take them out of the pan. And now we're ready to plate up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to add some of the dressing that we made earlier. Just going to add that to the asparagus. Get a little mix up. Then we'll just kind of stack this up on the plate. Put our scallops on top. And we'll just finish this off with some more of the dressing. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a go. If you are enjoying my videos, please give me the thumbs up and please just hit that subscribe button. It just means that you'll not miss out on any of my future videos. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.